Today we're going to be adding a purple filter to this A158W. The first thing we want to do is take off these screws. Taking them off doesn't really matter the order that you do it. Because I always put them back in a star pattern, I like to take them off in a star pattern, but it really doesn't matter. You can take them off in any order that you would like. And make sure you put them in a very safe spot because they are tiny. Next up, we take off the case back. The first time you do this, it'll be pretty on there, but you can take it off relatively safe. This one actually, the gasket, so you can see here the black rubber part. The gasket normally will stay on the back of the case, but sometimes it'll come off on the case back. Once you get that off, you can use your finger to kind of pry the movement out. So here we have Casio A158W movement. It's the same one as the F91 that most people know about. And then here is the inside of the case. So for this, we're gonna want to cut the gel filter and put tape here and here just to secure it. You can use, you can just pressure fit it in, but I like to have tape just to make sure that it kind of sticks. Just take our double-sided tape. We lay it down very gently on the inside. You can kind of pat it down. And then we'll take a slightly thinner piece of tape and do the same on the inside. That's slightly too thick, so we're going to get an even thinner piece. So very thin there. And we'll move the watch off to the side while we cut our gel filter. So this is a gel filter. You can buy it off of Amazon. It's used to put in front of lights. So I've got a light right here. You can see how it kind of changes the color from white to purple. But for our intents and purposes, we're gonna cut it out. So this is the 3D template that I like to use. I trace around it with a marker and then cut it out with some scissors. I'll leave a link to it in the description. So if you have a 3D printer, you can download this and then use it. So we're just going to use kind of the corner as much as possible and just trace around it. So it doesn't have to be perfect, just needs to be close, and then you'll be cutting on the inside of this. So on both sides of this, there's a little film that you can do, but you can take your tweezers and just try to grab a corner. All right, and so before we put the gel filter down, we just want to make sure we get all of the dust out. Any little dust you will immediately see. So this is a piece of, it's called Rodico, and it just picks up all of the dust really nicely. Gotta roll it across. Because sometimes the problem is when you're using the blower, it kind of just blows more air in. It also allows you to kind of pick it up nicely and place it in. So once it's in, you just press down firmly. And we will use our tweezers once again to just lift up an edge of the film, pull it off. That's what it looks like. We're gonna one last time blow it down before putting the movement back in. And finally, we will put the movement back in. So just make sure it's the right way up. Press it down like that first. Press in. This is where these little pushers will often get in the way. So you use your tweezers again, and you can just kind of press it in. There's little metal bars that often get in the way. Next up, we're going to put the gasket back on. And I like to put this back on before the case back just to make sure that it is properly seated. Because if it's not, you lose your waterproof. Check all around. Then we're going to put the back case on. Press down, make sure it's not lifted up anywhere. Perfect. And this is where you do want to put the screws back in a star pattern. It just ensures that everything is seated properly, that you're not pinching anything. And that's how you mod your Casio A158W with a gel filter. If you found that useful, please like and subscribe.